guys, back in 2022 vacations with Patrick. We are doing an Airbnb room number 1606. I have to show you that view first. It is relaxing and it is quiet out here. Anyways, you guys got to see this.
Hello.
It's my friend Jen. It's my friend Ryan. I don't know why I'm friends with them. They're pretty wacky.
The trash can's on back and scared me. Don't be able to wash your dryer.
So first thing was when you come in here, look at this. This is crazy.
Do you want to wear shoes or no shoes, Patrick?
No shoes.
No shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, water all over the...
Fine. I don't mind that, but as long as you got socks on.
Big old TV.
You're a big old TV.
And look at this area. It's so cool.
This is Airbnb living. Now you know. The same price as a hotel room.
Same price as a hotel room. $710 for 2 nights.
And a single suite.
Oh, there's no seating on there. I was hoping we could just sit.
This is one of the bedrooms.
That's for you, Patrick.
What's really cool about the bedroom is if you guys have kids and...
Wait,
There you go. Honestly, I'd sleep up there. I want to sleep on the top bunk as long as Ryan doesn't snore at night. The bedroom area.
Here.
Oh, hold on. This is the kitchen.
Ryan.
What?
Full stocked, awesome kitchen. See if there's anything good in here for us. No!
The trash can is freaking me out.
There's the bathroom. Woo! Big old loud fan. Provided. It's a little bit small. But really clean. Oh, hey, check this out. You guys already know that I'm about all this. Oh, mine. Going home with me. And once again, there's me, guys. What's up? 2022 vacations in Colorado. So let's continue. This is the other room.
There's a bathroom.
Oh my gosh, this is a huge master bedroom. Nuh-uh. I know you guys are going to be trying to do something here tonight.
Like what?
That's huge, guys. And then there's another master bedroom here. So it looks like I got the bunk room bedroom. And I'm still going to sleep on the top bunk. This shower is actually a lot bigger than the other one. And of course they have those. So just shh, don't tell them. Now they don't have any. These are going in mine. Anyways, you guys, in Breckenridge, Colorado, that's where we are, 2022. And yeah, that's the tour. Really nice Airbnb. Price of a hotel, but a house. Really nice, guys. There's the view outside. And that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Alright guys, this is our morning. We're packing it up and our vacation has come to an end. This is what Ryan does for breakfast. Plays on his phone.
What?
And this is Jen over here just cooking away and eating some leftovers.
Cooking
Damn,
away.
you guys finished it?
No, I put in the trash.
There you go.
Oh.
You can have the rest.
You want the rest?
Damn, ew. Ugh. Yep. Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a nice one here. Got that in there.
So the stay here at this Airbnb, you said you would only give it like a 4 out of 5? Is that
4
what you
out of
said?
5 because the thermostat
Oh, she didn't like
does
this.
not work. So if you set it low or high, it just doesn't ever go to the temperature you want.
It likes to set itself at
Yeah,
99.
it's either
Maybe you're
hot-
supposed to talk to it. Maybe this is like a new age
yeah,
place.
Yeah, totally. Too hot.
Let's try it. Alexis, right? Alexis? Is it Alexis or Google?
Google, right?
Google set it to 1,000. Nope, doesn't work.
There's no clock here, like no working clocks, which the only time you can tell is from the stovetop, I guess.
Yeah, but nobody really uses clocks anymore.
Then how am I supposed to know when to check out? Just look at my phone every 10 minutes?
Yeah. So as for me, I'm still old school as well. See? It doesn't matter how old you are, you could still rock an iPod.
Grandma.
You have to be old enough to get one.
I really enjoyed my stay here, guys. We were here for about 3 days. Hello. But the only thing that I didn't like is that this house settles, so it's creaking all night long. So all night long in this room you hear, and it's just the wood just tapping, sounding like some kind of a ghost or something. But anyways, other than that, we had a great vacation. We really did. We went to the country mine. Got me a really cool rock. But yeah, all in all, I'm gonna say 4 out of 5. I really liked my stay here. This fireplace was really cool too. All you do is just switch that.
What are the snacks that we eat?
And it comes right on. Anyways, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching our vacation.